So this is what my bare face looks like. I have nothing on my skin right now. I'm going to start off with skincare. Number one thing that I applied is Neutrogena's lip balm to moisturize my lips. Next thing that I used is Wow Skin Science aloe vera gel to hydrate my skin. Over that, I'm going to apply sunscreen by Neutrogena. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes. It is very important to let all the skincare products sit on your skin properly before you go on and apply any makeup for a flawless and long-lasting finish of makeup. I'm going to start off with makeup. Number one thing that I used on my face is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray as a primer. After spraying a good amount on my face, I'm going to blend it and press it into my skin with the help of a beauty blender. You can see that it gives a very dewy and hydrating finish to my skin. Moving on to corrector and concealer. For corrector, I'm using LA Girl's Orange Corrector to correct the hyperpigmentation around my mouth and cancel out the under eye dark circles. As you can see, this corrector is very pigmented. I'm first using my fingers to spread the corrector and then I'm going to blend it furthermore with the help of the beauty blender. And now I'm going to apply concealer. I'm going to use very good amount of it, applying it under my eyes, on my T-zone area, around my mouth, and I'm going to blend it with the help of the beauty blender again. For foundation today, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC42. I'm going to apply this under my eyes first just as a second layer of the concealer because some of the orange part of the corrector were peeking through, so I decided to hide it. And then rest of the foundation, I applied this all over my face and blended it with the help of the beauty blender. If you will ask me, am I NC42 in MAC Studio Fix Fluid? I'm not quite sure yet. I bought it online from Nykaa after watching so many videos, so I still need to go to store and get myself matched. But for now, it seems like a pretty good match, so maybe I'm somewhere near NC42. I truly like the finish of this foundation. This is so buildable, extremely lightweight. And next I'm going to use Color Essence Compact Powder to lock up my base, first under my eyes, on my T-zone area, around my mouth, and later rest of my face. To define my eyebrows, I used Sugar's Arch Rival Brow Definer in the shade 022 Tom, and I did this off camera. I like my eyebrows to be bushy and bold, especially for party makeup. I kept my eye makeup very simple, easy and quick, nothing fancy at all. I started off with brown color all over my lid and crease with the help of that blending brush. And I also decided to contour my nose with the help of that same color and product. So guess what? I'm going to use one less product today and I'm only going to contour my nose today. Because this is a festival look and this is a party look, I need a hint of gold on my lid. For that, I'm going to use this gold copper color from this quad palette by Wet n Wild, which is called Hooked on Vinyl, and I'm going to apply this with the help of my fingers for better pigmentation. Using this kajal by Nykaa, I quickly tightlined my waterline with it and did my winged eyeliner off camera with the help of Sugar's Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. I will put some video links in the description box that how I like to do my winged eyeliner, so make sure you check that out. To finish up the eye makeup, I'm applying some waterproof mascara which is by Maybelline, which is called Push Up Drama Mascara. You have to be very careful when you are applying this mascara because this can end up looking clumsy on your eyes and you do not want that. I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with the help of this mascara, and there is going to be no eyeshadow for my lower lash line. At last, I made sure both of my eyeliners are looking like sisters, so I kind of corrected the eyeliner by adding more product, and with that we completed the eye makeup look. For my blush today, I'm using that peachy color from Master Blush Palette by Maybelline, and I'm definitely going bold with my blush today. You can see that I also applied this blush little bit on my chin and nose, and I also contoured the apples of my cheeks with the help of this blush. So I've been skipping my contour lately, and this is what I've been doing for my blush. This brings that soft glow to your face. At the same time, this makes you look super fresh and awake. For super fresh, hydrated, dewy and glowing skin, I'm going to apply this Master Chrome Highlighter by Maybelline, which is in the shade Molten Gold. I am applying this with the help of this brush first, and later I used my fingers for better pigmentation. Lastly, I blended everything with the help of my beauty blender. For lipstick, I started off with Matte Hell Crayon Lipstick by Sugar in the shade Clary Underwood. I really like the formulation of this lipstick. This is very comfortable on my lips. And to customize the lipstick and make it more nudie maroon tone, I added Ruby Woo by MAC, and I patted some compact powder to give it a matte finish. After finishing the lipstick, I felt that it is bringing down my blush and it is not popping properly, so I added more blush on my face. And lastly, to lock up my base and give that dewiness and glowy finish to my skin, I'm going to apply this setting spray by Wet n Wild, and that completes the entire makeup. So this was the makeup which I created for Diwali. This makeup was on the fresh and glowing side. So if you're looking for something like this, I hope you found this video very informative and helpful. For more of such videos, you know what to do now. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me on our social medias if you want to, on my Instagram for daily updates. Like, comment, share this video, and I guess I'll see you all next time. Bye.